If you are trying to generate affiliate commissions like this and this and this, then you need to generate traffic or clicks like this and this and this. But if you are failing to generate clicks and traffic and make affiliate commissions using ordinary methods and outdated softwares that promise to blast your link to hundreds and thousands of places all over the internet, then listen up. This link sharing method don't work anymore. And even worse, it's considered as spamming, and social media spam filters block those spammy links, so you never get traffic. The solution is easy. The solution is doing what top news and blog websites like New York Times does. In case you don't know, New York Times is one of the top affiliates of Amazon. They siphon all their traffic to Amazon.com. And look at this. New York Times is one of the top referrer of Amazon.com. Same with Time.com. They direct their traffic to Amazon.com as affiliate. CommissionJunction.com gets a lot of traffic from a popular blog, One More Cup of Coffee. Walmart gets a lot of affiliate traffic from CNET.com, and ClickBank gets traffic from neilpatel.com, which is a popular blog. So what do sites like New York Times do? They publish hot and trending, high quality content and share that content with social media. Billions of people on social media like Facebook or Twitter.com spend their time looking for funny and entertaining content and enjoy sharing photos and videos with friends, but mainly use social media to stay in touch with current events. So when a trending news is shared by websites like New York Times and Times.com and neilpatel.com or cnet.com, social media users love those content, engage with that content and share with their friends and family, and even repost on their walls. This social engagement drives more and more viral traffic. So the solution of free traffic is to publish high quality, trending, hot content like this. But content creation is time consuming and super expensive. You might have to pay up to $250 per 500 words to get a high quality content written, and still have to wait for a lot of time to get the content delivered. But no more. It changes today. We have built the solution for you, Mavin. Mavin will hijack high quality content just like this in one click. Welcome to Mavin app, and let's snatch some authority content and traffic. First, this is the login page, and use these boxes to log in. You are in. Super awesome. Now everybody is talking about iPhone 13, its battery, its cameras. We want to review it, but we don't have time for it. So we found some authority blog. We want to hijack it. All you have to do is to copy this URL, click this add blog button and paste this URL and click create. Boom, your content is ready. The images are ready. You can change them from here, do some formatting in this text editor and add your links using this box. Let's open in a new window and click save. Add another bold, italic and link if you want, or as many as you want because you want more links. Maybe you want to make it bold and italic, and that's it. Click save. Oh yes, you have to add a blog title. Done. Click save. Yes. Now the magical part. The authority content is hijacked, but it's a hijacked content. You want to make it yours and you want to make it unique. That's where this spin block content button comes in. Just one click and the content is rewritten to the highest quality, just like a human written content. Go click save. Boom. Now you want to add some more images. Yeah, that makes sense. Click anywhere. Click this image button. Use any of these options. Let's say use Pixabay. Use your search term, searched and found, and you want to choose this. Click. Your image is added. Super cool, right? Now you want to add more. Just one click and add more. Now you may want to add a video. All you need is the embed code of a video. Click anywhere you want to add, click the video button and paste the video embed code. Click add, and your video is added. Wow, super cool, right? Click save. Fill all this information, add your name, add description, anchor text, and category, and hit publish now. Boom, your blog post is ready. Your authority blog post is ready. Click view and it opens. Wow, that's so awesome. Ready to make money for you. Is this your link? Open link in new window. Yes. So what you waiting for? Go grab your Mavin access right now and hijack traffic from authority sites. Go do it. Did you like it? I'm sure you did. It's awesome, right? But what's more important is that it's coming with a lot of profit pooling bonuses. All these bonuses are premium bonuses that are sold for up to $397 each. But today you are getting all of them for free to make sure nothing stops you from getting traffic and sales starting right now. You might be thinking, what's the catch? In fact, there is no catch. It's a product launch. We are excited, so we want to get this insane opportunity in the hands of as many users as possible, because the users will change their lives for the better and we're not going to lose anything when it happens. So why not? We spent over $6,000 and a quarter of a year to build this application. If you don't get this, you may have to spend $250 for every 500 words content, or you might have to spend hours if not days to create content by your own, and each of the bonuses will cost you separately. So charging $197 per month would be a fair price. But it's a product launch and we want to make it easy for you, so we're not going to charge anything close to that. In fact, we are completely removing the monthly recurring fees. So if you get your access today, you will never have to pay monthly recurring fees ever again. But after the launch, we will go back to monthly recurring payment model. Oh, I almost forgot to mention, the price is rising on every sale and every hour. So if you move from this page now and come back later, you might have to pay more. Why pay more when you can get it for less? Besides, your investment is 100% protected with our ironclad no question asked money back guarantee. Within next 30 days, for any crazy reason, if you don't like our application, simply send us a support ticket and we will refund every penny you spend with us instantly. So what's stopping you? If you want traffic, get Mavin. If you love the premium bonuses, get Mavin. If you want to enjoy the launch discount, get Mavin right now. If you want the protection of your investment, then don't spend a single second. Get your access to Mavin right now using any of the button below this video, and I will see you in the inside.